Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I am going to show you a simple trick which saves much time and avoiding complexity while you enter a large data in Excel sheet. In a custom way, we always enter 1 and here 2. For example, I want to add serial numbers to 1000. Now I have to drag it. You see, it's a boring process and it takes much time to enter 1000 data. So I use a new way. Just let me delete this. Select this cell, enter 1, for example. Here, just press Alt H. Now unpress Alt, then FIS. Good. From here, I want to add data to column. I select column, then step value, increment value is 1, step value 1. For example, stop value, I add 500. Okay, you see, it directly entered 500 data for us. Good. Now, if I delete this, select this one, Control Shift, delete. Good. This time, 2 and press Alt H. FIS. Then column. Increment or step value, I select 2. And this time, I select it 400, for example. Okay. You see, the increment or increase is 2. Step value is 2. This method is effective to save much time and avoiding complexity. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel. Have a nice time.